guys, my name is Shai, and in today's DIY I'm gonna show you how to add pendants into your cord or a chain, because this question, I get this a lot in my shop, and so I was thinking it would be really helpful for them to know that they can watch this video. So if you're interested in knowing how to add pendants into your cord or chain, then stay with me. So right here we have our cord, and I'm gonna find, okay, so now normally we have just a cord, and so if you want to add pendants, all you have to do is to slide your pendant. If you already have the findings like this, and that's it. Now the problem is some of the pendant don't have any of these. So another option is you can add a jump ring. Now if you don't have two of these tools, round nose plier and the flat nose plier, what you can do is get one tweezer, and you can use the end tips, the back, and so if you have at least one, then it will work. So you use this to just to help you open the jump ring like that. Now get your pendant, and then this time you can add your jump ring, your cord. There we go, that solved the problem. Isn't that cute? Yay! Alright, I thought I hit that video, but I guess I didn't. So I'm gonna show you again. So we have our chain here. This one you just need to fix. Right, what we can do is just slide this in, and here we go, it's done. So if you guys want to see my previous video, I created this chain and how I attach this together, and also the dimension of a clasp and jump ring I use. So now that's it. So easy, guys, and thank you very much for watching. I see you in my next video. And so if you guys have any questions, or you want me to show you something about DIY, then please leave a comment below. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, and also you can visit my Instagram, that link in the description below.